Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Terabox downloader bot to your Telegram app. So you can do this process either it is in your phone or laptop, that doesn't matter. So just go to Google and search here Terabox downloader bot and just make sure to write Telegram. And once you write this down, just go to search and you will be seeing this first one like launch at the rate JB Terabox. So just open it. And once you click on it, just open Telegram app in your mobile phone or it is in the desktop, doesn't matter. And once you're in this section, just click on the start button. And once you click on start, as you can see, hello there, I'm a Terabox downloader bot. Send me a Terabox link. I will download the contents and send it to you. So that is a simple and easy process. Just make sure to send the link to this section. Like just make sure I don't have any link. So just paste the link on this section and click on send. And once you send the link, that bot will download the video and send the file to you. So that is a simple and easy process. So make sure to follow this process step by step and you will be able to do it.